In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple pages on a Carrd website. Carrd is technically a single-page website builder, but with the right setup, you can simulate multiple pages by using sections. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can organize your content as if you had separate pages, like Home, About, or Contact. First, log into your Carrd account. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the top right corner and click on New Site. Carrd will load a gallery of different templates you can start from. If you prefer to build everything from scratch, you can choose the blank page option at the top right. In this example though, we'll use one of the existing templates to speed things up. At the top of the template gallery, you'll see tabs you can filter by. Click on the tab labeled Sectioned. These templates are designed with multiple sections in mind, which makes them perfect for simulating different pages. Hover over a template that you like, then click Select to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, scroll through the template. You'll notice that the layout is divided into sections. These are separated by a dotted teal line. When you hover over one of these lines, you'll see a label that says Control. This control element is what defines a section break. By setting it as a section break, you're telling Carrd where one page ends and the next one begins, even though everything technically lives on a single continuous page. If you want to add another section, look again at the top right corner of the editor and click the plus icon. From the drop-down, select Control. Carrd will immediately add a new control to your site, usually at the very bottom. You can drag and drop this control to reposition it wherever you want in the layout. When you select this new control, its settings will open in the left panel. Here, set the type to section break. Then, in the name field, assign a unique ID to the section break. Use something descriptive, like About or Services, so you can recognize it later. Next, you need the actual content area for this new section. Click the plus icon again at the top right, and this time select Container. Make sure to place this container directly under the control you just added. In the container's settings, click the gear icon at the top of the left panel and assign a unique ID for this section as well. Then adjust any other settings you need, such as layout or background. Now you can start adding elements to this new section, like text, images, buttons, or forms, just as you would anywhere else on your Carrd site. If you want more sections that behave like additional pages, simply repeat the same process. Add a control, set it as a section break with a unique ID, add a container beneath it, assign its ID, and then fill it with content.